Abby dude. Good morning, Abby dude. I didn't break it. I just turned to change the thing.
You almost.
It did not.
You almost.
I did not. How are you this morning? Whatever. Did you have a nice sleep last night?
Yep.
In our lovely hotel room?
Yep.
What are we going to do today?
We go to Sally's college stuff.
Stella's college stuff? Have more fun? See more stuff about Stella's college? Sounds cool. What in the world are you doing?
I'm drawing it like you said so.
I didn't know you. I was talking about the... How did that get wet?
I don't know. What is the inside of the bag?
You're silly.
Put my toothpaste and toothbrush in there.
I got you.
Maybe it was one there.
Really? You say you love you, Mama?
Love you.
Say bye-bye, Mama?
Bye.